Manufacturers are constantly working to optimize their processes and improve product quality. They are integrating advanced metrology and finding it provides a competitive advantage across design, build, and quality functions. Laser-based, digitally enhanced 3D metrology provides broad benefits across the manufacturing ecosystem. Combining ultra-precise measurement and instrumentation with data and analytics, it can catapult a manufacturer far ahead of its competition. Enhanced geometric data and design capabilities greatly improve the accuracy in modeling and can reduce the costs and frustration associated with faults and revisions. This is critical for streamlining design and quality functions. For example, by using FARO's 3D measurement solutions, one manufacturer saw the amount of reworks lowered by 75% and inspection time decreased by over 30% as compared to its previous system of using conventional methods. Advanced metrology also has a growing role in production. It increases build precision and reduces assembly time and rework, as well as calibrating entire systems, preventing faults, increasing production, and reducing bottlenecks. Imagine being able to ensure that a 2-minute weld doesn't turn into a 30-minute correction. FARO's metrology solutions catch faults early and save considerable time during QC design and build processes.